The CEO and founder of the American-based NGO of Comprehensive Disaster Response Services, Mr. Todd Shea, said in his introductory remarks to HDN that he came to Pakistan along with a group of Pakistani American doctors in the 2005 earthquake and started working with the army and volunteers for the earthquake victims of Pakistan. He added that he started CDRS here and now he has a team of 120 employees serving all over Pakistan. He further said that he has a big logistic network to serve in every disaster of Pakistan. He said that we do all kinds of projects like having 4 houses of blessing for widows and orphans, 2 medical facilities for mothers and children, animal shelters, making homes and schools. He said that we have almost 700 water projects for clean drinking water, and while working with Marriott Petroleum, we are giving out 600 meals every single day. Regarding providing employment opportunity to the unemployed and poor people of Pakistan through entrepreneurship, he said that
well, we do have a small entrepreneurship program for the most poor to help them start their small business. Whether that's a sewing machine or a shop or a rickshaw or something like that, we have helped people in that regard. So we will continue to do that. We've also funded sewing centers and computer labs. And as long as our donors keep supporting us, which are mostly Pakistani American and some here in Pakistan, we'll keep on expanding our
In response to the question of administrative affairs, he said that we have only one main office in G30 in Islamabad, but we have projects all over in Pakistan. He further said about the accommodation of widows and orphans that
right now we have 4 House of Blessings for widows and orphans, and we can take about 120 mothers and children. And we want to expand. So we want to have House of Blessings for widows and orphans, inshallah, in every district of Pakistan. So we ask people out there and for the media to help us, that people that want to donate, people that want to support, if somebody has a house or land they want to give to the project, we want to open up in every district of Pakistan so that our capacity is truly national. Because there's a lot of widows and orphans that need help in Pakistan.
While talking to HDN about his efforts and success in regarding serving the miserable people, he said that we have been 100% successful in our aim because we have twice been satisfied by the Pakistan Center for Philanthropy. We have a medal, Dagma Isar. From Pakistan, we have been here for 19 years, almost without any scandal, so we keep working and expanding for Pakistan in the time of their need. At the end of his interview, he gave a message to the donors and stakeholders.
Join us, be a part of us. It's all about positivity, positive thinking, and never, ever, ever, ever give up. Never give up on yourself, never give up on your dreams, never give up on humanity, never give up on your nation, never give up on Allah. No matter how bad things seem, there's always hope and there's always a new tomorrow, and there is Allah who will bless us either in this life or in the hereafter.